So now come to question number 30, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration, mathematics. Continuing with that. So dx upon 1 plus under root x minus x squared. So definitely when you observe this question, what comes in your mind? First of all, if you write this as dx upon 1 plus under root x, then under root x I will take outside, then I will get under root of 1 minus x. Now I have the problem, there are too many complex things are there. 1 plus is also there, 1 minus is also there, separate also there. So in an under root x is also there. But if I put x is equal to here sine square theta, then my lot of problems will be solved. So dx will be 2 sine theta cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. Under root x is how much is sine theta. And this will be how much? Cos theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, cos theta. So see, this will cancel. And d theta will be there. So this will be 2 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. 1 upon 1 plus sine theta d theta. Now, depending on what answer is given, in what form we must get, this can be solved in different ways. Simple method is 1 minus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. So we will get 2 1 minus sine theta upon cos square theta d theta is equal to 2 1 upon cos square is sec square theta minus sine upon cos will be 10 into sec theta minus 10 theta into sec theta. So this is what is the integration of this 2? 10 theta minus sec theta plus c. Only problem is now conversion, back conversion. So sine square theta is this. So cos square theta is how much? 1 minus x. So 10 square theta is how much? 10 square theta is equal to sine square x upon 1 minus x. Put these values. So 2 10 theta under root x upon 1 minus x minus cos theta, sec theta is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x plus c. You can simplify, take LCM. This is the answer. So I will leave here. Thank you.